We've been taught that the way to get more done is to push harder, go faster, and stay on top of everything. But that constant pressure is what fragments your attention and leaves you more drained, not more effective. What actually builds strength and steadiness is presence. Slowing down for just a moment to notice your breath. Feel your feet on the floor. To take one clear pause before moving to the next thing. That pause isn't wasted time. It's what helps you gather your focus and your energy so you can bring your whole self to what's next. So today, instead of powering through, ask yourself, where can I trade pressure for presence? Maybe it's in one conversation. Maybe it's before sending an email. Maybe it's right now in this breath. Take a moment and notice your breath. A single breath of awareness can open up a whole new rhythm in your body, your thoughts, and your emotions. Share this with someone you care about that may need this reminder today.